Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Kiddwaya reveals true feelings for Erica. Kiddwaya, who is the latest evicted housemate from the Big Brother Naija house, has just revealed exactly how he feels about Erica. Responding to Ebuka's questions, he said that with Erica he feels safe and free. Kiddwaya said Erica is one person he would not want to lose and that she is more than special to him.
That's what about Erica? Is she more than a friend? What is she? Erica, she's more than a friend, man. She's someone that I feel when I'm around, I feel safe. I feel like I can be myself. I feel like she's really got my back. I don't know what it is yet. I don't know if it's going to be a relationship or just friendship. But I know that she's someone I definitely want to keep in my life. Whether that's a relationship or a friendship, but it's someone I don't want to lose. I'm open to a relationship.
Kiddwaya went ahead to say that he did not buy the idea of the relationship picking up in the house as he feels no one can see the full picture of things. But outside the house, he will definitely link up with her and he hopes for the best. Recall that Kiddwaya and Erica were the relationship stars this season of the Big Brother Naija Season 5 house. Fingers crossed for the future of their relationship. Guys, do you think Kiddwaya and Erica will be an item outside the house? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section.